The folks that we've worked with at OpenText are really partners, real partners, really involved, and they really want to be a part of what we're trying to get to and the transformation that we're trying to make.
Many companies, and particularly in our sector, there's always challenges around how efficiently we can do things. So we wanted something that was efficient as well as effective.
We were able to consistently deliver the service level agreement promises that we have with our customers.
Today we manage more EDI activities than before, so we can say yes, we improve our capabilities. OpenText is now an extension of our team.
OpenText had been in the market longer than some of the other competitors, and we felt that that solution was more robust and fit more with our existing landscape.
We don't want to be focused on these things that are really things that should be done in some automated fashion or through technology and solutions like the ones that OpenText has.
Since we implemented the system, the roughly 45% of the world that is using the new operating model, we've seen a pretty large increase in productivity.
OpenText has provided us a very reliable B2B platform that we can trust, and it has made our trading partners trust our B2B platform as well.
From a process efficiency standpoint, what we have seen is a 20% reduction in our overall cycle time. And we've seen a 20% reduction in duplicates and a 50% reduction in approval cycles.
So we haven't tended to measure things in pure hours and minute savings, but what we have seen is a massive increase in quality.
And it feels different. It feels like a cultural difference between OpenText and maybe many of the other companies that we've worked with or tried to work with.